We're back! It is me, Pappa Pizza, from Pappa Pizza's Pizza. As you idiots already know, our pizza is made from the finest ingredients of bunnies. Yes, bunnies. And now we're going to show you about safety. This is Bird, the war veteran. How would you like to say some words, Bird? Yeah, he does not talk too much. He was really wild at that Christmas party. And here, we do not let any employees have any guns. Thank you, Bird. So, how would you like to see a tour? Well, too bad. Bird already locked everything up. Thank you, Bird. Yes, Bird is very silent. We'll see you next time.